We are in Ocala, Florida this morning, or as Pierre likes to say, we're always in Orlando, but not today. We really are in Ocala. We had a nice rainstorm come through right before inspecting this Forester 3011DS. So stick around, let's see what we have in store for us today.
Lunchtime. I have a lot to talk about this. I'm actually stoked. This is a customer of ours that skipped another unit that was big time not to buy, and I was proud of her that she continued shopping and found this little unit. There's a lot to talk about this unit, but it's all positive. So far, I've got absolutely a couple of things that I find, just like the sealant. See, that's why I'm here. See the quality that they put on that sealant, whatever it is, it's like dried up brittle. And it's like that everywhere. So whatever batch of sealant they had, everywhere is the same thing. I did my propane leak, A1, nothing's going on here. Oh, the generator started, that transfer switch works. The exhaust, I got a leaking problem right around the door, so I wouldn't be surprised that the carbon monoxide would kick in if you idled and parked with this. So that's life safety, but I think it's just a collar. I'm no mechanic, but I can see it and I videoed it. So this is the only thing when we drove in that kind of, what the heck? It's all nasty, dirty. It's that blue diamond shield that they put on there. So this is an easy fix. I mean, I will recommend her, to have this removed, put a new one there. It did its job, but for whatever reason, it swelled and came out of there. So for 2019, it is impeccable. And there's another thing that says a lot for me. As you know, I walk around quickly. I already saw this when we came in. That will be on my report, but I haven't done the sidewalls yet. For me, I judge a book by the cover. So the way this person who had this maintained this, I can see we would be similar. This roof is impeccable, as Lowell can show you those videos, because I took a couple of clips this morning. Look at that sealant. This has been redone, maintained, not waited till it was gone. This is what you guys got to do. You got to learn to do this. See how beautiful this is? This is my nicest unit maintained that got taken care of. And for me, don't judge a book by the cover. But when somebody goes with one of those Racemaster, people who know me, this is what I have. We modify this because this is sealed. This is a good system. It works, the bayonet system. Right there, I know that whoever owned this before, we might be relatives. So other than that, I mean, we're still into it. It's lunchtime. We're gonna go grab a bite because Laurel is fainting. She's about to fall off. So let's go see what she found inside.
I'm not about to faint, nor am I about to blow away, but I am blown away about this RV. I cannot tell you how excited I am to finally be inspecting a 2019, and I have nothing major at lunchtime at all. And our customer, like Pierre was telling you, we did an inspection for her on another unit. I'm gonna link that above so you guys can go and see what she was looking for. She's going to live in here. So the minor little things I found so far, I've gone through the water systems. Nothing's leaking. All the sinks, the toilet bowl, holding water. Just a little bit of sealant needed in the bathroom sink. Tiny, minor little thing. One other minor little thing. I have put this down into a bed. There's a little bit, this is pleather. It's not real. There's just this little bit of pleather that's, coming apart here. Nothing major at all whatsoever. I have done the oven, the stove, everything lights. It is impeccable. I don't even know if they've ever used it. It is so clean. The amount of storage in here, I have gone through all of the cupboards. Hey guys, if you like our videos, we would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and leave us a comment. If you don't know what to comment, just put the letter C4BO. Comment for Blue Ox. C4BO. That's all you got to do. Put that in the comment section. I have done the walls with their hydrometer. Nothing, no moisture. So I am so excited for our customer, and I can't wait till the end of the day because I have a feeling this is going to be the almost perfect unit. So wait and see.
Recap, end of day, nice unit. The beginning of the year is sounding good finally, because the last one was a bust. We didn't even finish the inspection because floor of the slide out was going down. It was rotten. 2017 beautiful unit, but now, so this was kind of, oh no, not again. We've had 2 or 3 lately. So yes, you got to watch that. That's why you need inspection. So this one looks pretty slick and cool and nice to me. It is exciting because we also know the customer. It's her second shot too. So it's like, okay, well, let's hope this one is good. And I think you're in for a ride. So other than little things that I found, I think I mentioned earlier this morning the ceiling itself, but up here, see, you see a hole in the seal there. That's because the seal, people who used to have this, they let it go inside. So that's in my report, so it needs to be fixed. But see the old, it's like the silicone that was on there didn't do the job. It's like here, it kind of dried up. So I posted this, so this needs to be done because these those are called trim rails. This is your floor inside. So if it leaks in there, it goes right into your plywood. Other than that, the boxes were perfect. The roof, I actually found in the front a hole that I didn't see from the top. So actually when I looked from here, then I saw a place where it needs sealant on there. If you come on this angle, maybe, you're gonna see here that it's been broken here. So you can see that it's cracked, but it also, you can see there's been Bondo there installed. So, and you can see the paint is kind of different. So nothing special, nothing wrong, but there's something that happened here. And that's why it's a good idea sometime when you pull the VIN to know if there was an accident, if something happened. Me, it's there, no big deal, but it happened. Other than that, on this side, everything was nice. Furnace, fridge, the vent for the fridge is clear, everything is nice. Furnace works, heat pump, AC in the truck. I mean, I think somebody's going to be happy. So let's go see if this sums it up, or is it a bust from the inside. So let's go see what Laurel found.
So it's the end of the day, and this is how I feel. In the comments below, tell me who does that at the beginning of all of his videos. I am so excited, and I'm so happy with the little bit of things that I have found today. So at the end of my day, after lunch, I found that, yes, there is a missing ladder to the top bunk. Speaking of the top bunks, and I'm going to show you the pictures, when I lifted the mattress, immediately I smelt a little odor and I saw a strange spot, which, as you can see, you can note to yourself what you think that is. I can't really say what it is, but it was just kind of a strange discoloration that was underneath there. The other thing is that this MCD blind over here does not come down at all. It wiggles, but it will not come down. I have a little bit of a discoloration. It's actually numbers that's written on the linoleum here in the floor. The driver's seat has some peeling. It's the one seat that was used a lot, I feel. But other than that, the dash, everything up front works great. All the TVs, perfect. The radio, great station today. The radio's perfect. Refrigerator is cooling the way it's supposed to. Did find a few things as far as, you're going in there, so I'll just mention this. At the top of the door, it's sort of, it's not real wood. It's kind of peeling. The same thing underneath the TV in the back, directly underneath the corner edge, you'll see that there's some peeling. And I found a little bit of peeling out here, also in the kitchen, above the microwave. Nothing major. Absolutely nothing major that I found inside this coach. I am super excited for our customer. She made a great move, researching, really looking for another unit that could fit her budget, the length, her comfort, in the fact that she's going to also tow something. So I think that she's going to be happy with the results of her inspection today. So remember, and do never forget, it's not about the destination, it's all about the journey.